evening. Thanks for joining us. We begin tonight with a breaking news update. The deputy charged with murder in the shooting death of Sonia Massey will be released from jail under pre-trial release conditions. Sean Grayson has remained in custody since being arrested back in July, with a Sangamon County judge denying him pre-trial release. Now today, the Illinois Appellate Court ruled in Grayson's favor after he appealed the Sangamon County Court's decision. Well, as part of the ruling, the appellate court is ordering Sangamon County to hold a hearing to set pretrial release conditions for Grayson. Fox Illinois' Spencer Davis is working for you to break down the reasoning behind today's decision.
That's right. Grayson filed the appeal after a Sangamon County judge ruled in favor of keeping him detained twice. Now the Illinois Appellate Court says the state did not have the evidence needed to support pretrial detainment. In the ruling, the court says, quote, "Our review of the evidence here fails to turn up support for several of the trial court's findings," end quote. Under the Pretrial Fairness Act, the state must prove that a defendant is a danger to the community or a flight risk and that there are no pretrial release conditions that will mitigate those risks in order to deny them pretrial release. The appellate court unanimously ruled the state did not have enough evidence to prove pretrial release conditions would not be sufficient in Grayson's case. The ruling goes on to say, quote, "A defendant's conduct may be reprehensible and deserving of punishment, but that is not an inappropriate basis for imposing pretrial detention." Sangamon County will now have to hold a hearing to determine pretrial release conditions for Grayson. The appellate court did not include any opinions on what release conditions may be appropriate. Reporting in studio, I'm Spencer Davis. Back to you.
Thanks, Spencer. Now, Sangamon County State's Attorney John Millhiser already responded to today's ruling, saying his office will ask the Illinois Supreme Court to review the decision. In a statement, Millhiser says he has already spoken with Sonia Massey's family and he's committed to keeping Grayson in custody before his trial, saying in part, quote, "Defendant Grayson has demonstrated that he cannot comply with conditions and is a danger to the community after his inexcusable actions on July 6, 2024, when he shot Sonia Massey," end quote. Now, Grayson is scheduled to have a status hearing on Monday, but there is no word if the ruling will be addressed on that day. Well, Fox Illinois is working for you. We'll continue to provide you with the most up-to-date information as details unfold. Follow us on our website and on social media.
Don't miss a video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for more Central Illinois news.